Welcome to another Boss Tech video, and today's all about what's in the box of your Load Assist kit. Now when you open the box, the first thing you'll find is a welcome letter including some safety precautions, and that's thanking you for purchasing one of our products and also giving you a few tips on what to be careful about when you're installing your Load Assist kit. And then there's the plastic bag of goodies. Included in that are the bolt bags and spring washers, and they're used to attach the plates to the airbags. Also included is a Schrader valve, and that's where you connect the air hose line and connect the Schrader valve to the body of your vehicle using the Tech screws supplied. You'll also find a door jamb plug, and that's to stick on the jamb of the door that just talks to the safety of the vehicle, advising that there's airbags connected. Included also is a sufficient air line for you to connect the system, along with a complete set of instructions and drawings that make it very easy to install the system to your vehicle. Finally, down the bottom we have some bolts and nuts which allow you to connect the brackets together, along with some zip ties to secure the air line into place. All that's kitted and ready to go for you. Now, underneath the secret piece of paper we find the plates. Now these are the plates that bolt to the airbags and then bolt to the body of the vehicle. And you'll find that either the top or bottom plate in your kit is fitted with a little connector where the airline connects to the plate and inflates the bag. There's a top and bottom plate in each kit, and now we'll show you what the bottom plate looks like for this particular kit. Now as we're doing that, bear in mind that these plates vary from vehicle to vehicle, but they all work in a similar way, in a way they attach to the bag. Here's an example of another style of plate for this particular vehicle that we're showing now. So that's the top and bottom plate, and you remember in the accessory bag that you can see at the front, you'll see the bolts that connect those two brackets together around the chassis in this instance. And finally what we have is your Boss airbag. We believe these are the best airbags on the planet, and you'll notice that we have our Boss branding on them, and those airbags will last you a lifetime. Thank you very much, and if you want to know any more about that, connect to our YouTube channel and it'll show you exactly how to install your kit to your vehicle.